What's going on, guys? All right, it's a sweet day today. I'm at Bass Pro Shop. I'm picking up a brand new Garmin I just purchased, so we're gonna be fishing here soon with the Garmin, and we're gonna rig it up on the Jon Boat and see what we can do. Sweet day. Awesome upgrade for the Jon Boat today. Package secured. I'm ready. All right, here it is. This is the Echo Map UHD 93 SV transducer. It's got the GT54 transducer combo. Thing is sweet. We're gonna get it open here in a minute. All right. Awesome. Comes with a nice cover. That's a 9-inch display. Thing is sweet. And a nice cover. This is gonna be great on the Jon Boat. Of course, gotta have the Garmin sticker. That's dope. Here's the backing plate. So this is actually gonna get screwed down, and basically, from my understanding, it's a quick release system with the graph. Just pop it in and out every time you're done with it. So that'd be sweet. This is gonna be great. And a bunch of wires that I'm gonna have to figure out where they're gonna go. The next obstacle is to find a spot on the Jon Boat to hook it up. I'm actually gonna do some JB weld and I'm gonna get some plastic to JB weld on the back of there. So the transducer, which I'll find in a minute, can screw to it, because I do plan on getting a better boat next year, and you know, I want to be able to take this thing off and not wreck this Jon Boat I got. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have to try to mock it up, and you know, we'll get you guys going. Check out that sticker though. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet. All right, I'm stoked. All right, so I got the transducer all put together, just like that. Here's the screen. It's a little dusty because I'm making the mount for it right now. So that's that. Right now I have 2 pieces of plastic JB welded together, and that's what's gonna go. I'm gonna JB weld it to the back of the boat, and then I'm gonna screw this to it, so I don't have to do any screwing on the boat at all. So that's how that's gonna go. And over here with the boat, I have 2 2x4s on each side, and I got this is where I'm gonna keep the battery from now on, and then I'm just gonna have this board kind of go over it. So it's gonna be like that. Obviously this is gonna be straight, and then I'm just gonna mount the graph to it. I'll probably stain this wood so it looks pretty good, and then it's kind of out of the way. The battery's gonna be out of the way, and we're gonna run the transducer wires probably down to here, underneath the seat, over here, and then up over, and then this is where I'm gonna end up JB welding that to the boat without screwing into it. You know, I'm just gonna JB weld that to it, and then I'll be able to screw the transducer into it. So overall, pretty simple. You know, Jon Boat stuff for sure, but it's gonna make us catch some fish. All right, so what I got here is I got a ram mount. I put JB weld on it, kind of mocked it up where I'm gonna sit, and I just got this 2x4 and then pressing it down. So I'm gonna let this dry for overnight actually, and now I'm gonna scuff it up the back of the boat. I'm gonna put the transom mount right here for the transducer. I'm just gonna rough it up here. I'm gonna mark it out, and we're on our way. Okay, so I just sanded and cleaned this surface here, and I have it just basically vice gripped tight to kind of right where I want it, so it's not bad. And yeah, let this sit for 24 hours and screw the transom on tomorrow. Alrighty, I got my battery on the trickle charger, so this thing is gonna be nice and charged up. over here, this is how it's gonna be. The nice long mount with the screen, so I can adjust it up or towards me. You know, it's gonna be very cool. All right, it's been like 15 hours. Let's see here. I mean, that sucker's on there, so that's great. Let's check out this back one. Get that out. I do have some paint left over, but yeah, these things, perfect. Now I'm gonna screw the transducer right to this. I'm gonna paint it first, and then we're ready to rock and roll. Sweet. All right, so this is sick. Super happy how this turned out. It's pretty sturdy, not gonna lie. So, and it's 100% adjustable. So right now, basically, this would be me, you know, just cruising, and then I can bring it closer. I'll bring it closer. So I brought it closer, you know, so when we're trolling, I can adjust it, hit my waypoints. It's gonna be sweet. The one battery cable right here, I'm just gonna tuck it up, probably here. I'm gonna have the battery here, and then I'm gonna have my fuel tank back here. The transducer wire is just gonna run basically this channel here underneath, and then it's just gonna go over to that little transom plate I made. So I have feet room. I'm gonna have my tackle box right here, and we're ready to go. Should be on the water tomorrow. All right, got the transducer on. Looking pretty good. Super easy. I just took a small drill bit, drilled it out, tightened it up. I'm gonna try to keep these nice and tight to the boat, these wires, because I don't want anything to hit them. But other than that, it's turning out pretty good. Took the same matching paint I had and hit that. We're gonna be on the water soon. This is awesome. I'm gonna take this, tuck it down in here somehow, run it down in this channel, and then over to the graph. So it's coming together. All right, I found some of these wire tie downs. I got 2 here, so it's looking good. I feel like I could probably add another one here, kind of just keep it that way, away from the motor and everything. But I happen to find some of these little channel brackets. So I got the wire coming back through here. I'm gonna kind of tuck the wire in. I'm gonna put a self-tapper here, and then one over there. Then I'm just gonna coil up the rest of the wire and just kind of be tucked away. And then I'll probably throw some spray paint over this, make it look nice. Not bad. Pretty much done. All I gotta do is hook the battery up. Pretty sweet. I think it turned out pretty good. And the access, I just taped it up, rolled it right under the seat there, and yeah. Good morning. All right, I just got some large fat heads from the bait store and about 2 minutes from the boat launch. We're gonna see if we can get it done today. First day with the graph. So you know, I'm gonna hopefully get some footage of that as soon as I figure it out. And then, I don't know, hopefully get on some fish. We're looking for crappie, walleye, whatever. Honestly, whatever bites. You know, we're out here just to have a good time today. Get familiar with the graph. Hopefully give you guys some feedback on the graph, because so far I'm super pumped about it, and it seems like it's really awesome from the videos that I watched. So I'm awesome, you know, I'm super pumped about it. So, all right, catch you on the water. Got her set up. Had to get it out of demonstration mode, so now we're in 10 foot of water. The water degrees is 62. I'm liking it. So now I can just go in and mess with the settings of, like, you know, the contrast and what we're looking at here, and kind of zoom in or like turn up or down the sensitivity. But I'm liking it. It's a sweet day out. I got my buddy Nate. He actually has one of these, so he might have a little bit more information, a little rundown on it. But other than that, let's hopefully get on some fish today. There you go. Got some? Pretty sweet day. We got into some bluegill and some white bass, and got enough for a fish fry. At least that was the goal. Got familiar with the graph, which is a lot better. It's cool. We marked some fish. It's really nice knowing what temperature the water is, what depth, where the drop offs are, and then you can mark a couple spots, which is awesome too. So super pumped about it. All right, I ended up getting 12 bluegill and 2 white bass and 1 drum. So not bad. Enough for a fish fry, a decent fish fry. So now I'm gonna get them filleted up, and yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like. Thank you.